LG Nexus 5X Take-Apart Repair Guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, small Phillips screwdriver, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, isosimo opening tool. Power down your LG Nexus 5X smartphone. Remove the nano SIM card tray. Use the plastic triangle opening tool to work around the rear cover and release the plastic clips securing it in place. Remove the following 10 Phillips screws, securing the Nexus 5X midframe in place. Use the isosimo opening tool to assist in removing the midframe. Carefully separate the loudspeaker assembly from the midframe. No tools necessary. Use the fine tip curved tweezers to assist in removing the Nexus 5X imprint fingerprint reader from the midframe. Disconnect the Nexus 5X battery from the motherboard. The 3.8-volt, 2700 mAh battery is secured in place with some light adhesive. Use the isosimo opening tool to pry it up and out of the Nexus 5X. Remove the 5-megapixel LG Nexus 5X front-facing selfie camera. Remove the 12.3 megapixel LG Nexus 5X rear-facing camera. Use the nylon spudger to detach the display assembly cable that is holding the motherboard in place. With the cable detached, remove the motherboard from the LG Nexus 5X. Use the fine tip curved tweezers to remove the earpiece speaker. Remove the spring contact applied vibrator. With the nylon spudger, carefully remove the headphone jack from the chassis. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.